Hey guys, what's up? I just got this little travel kit from Amazon and thought I'd open it up with you and show you everything. I really wanted these silicone bottles. Honestly, when I ordered this, I did not realize that it came with all this stuff, but that's super helpful. So I go to Europe a couple of times a year and I go for a while. And so the funny thing is, I'm usually in Spain and I've had a really hard time finding bubble bath. And so I actually got these because I want to fill up several as bubble bath options, which is probably not what everyone needs them for. But for me, that was important because the only thing I could find over there was like bath salts. So, one of the reasons I like silicone tubes over plastic tubes is because of just like, one, they don't break down the same way that plastics do. Plastics tend to be hard, and these you can squeeze, you can bend, and so that makes it nice. Okay, so then you have these plastic lids, caps here, and that seems to seal pretty well. You have this like silicone lining over this plastic bit, which is nice because I'm sure that helps to form a seal, which is really important when you're traveling. So I kind of like that right off the bat. We've got, let's see, those two are the same size. So a gray and a black of the same size. And then this looks almost like a blue, and these two are the same size. For me, that's going to be all, all bubble bath. But the nice thing is you can have so many different things, right? So for me, I'm always doing shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion. Those are the four most important liquids that I travel with just on a regular travel. Like I said, for this, I'm doing just the bubble bath, but that's really nice. But in this kit, we have also got a little spray bottle. So if there's anything you like to spray that you would travel with, you've got two of those. And again, I like the fact that they have different colors because you don't want to mix your liquids up, right? You don't want to be not sure what's in one and what's in the other. So that kind of makes it helpful because it's color coded. Then we have these, which I'm excited about for some different eye creams and things. I didn't even have any idea that these came with this package. So we have, these are just like little plastic travel containers. So we've got two of those with the white lids, two more, it looks like, with the black lids. I think they're the same size. Let's just double check that. Yeah, those are going to be the same size. We have this, which I guess is used to clean these, or that, or both, which is handy, I suppose. I don't think I've ever cleaned out a travel bottle before, but you might want to do that from time to time, especially if you're switching between products, right? And then you have these little, I guess, are these used to like scoop things out of the jars? That would be my guess. I don't really use anything like this personally, but I could see how that would be really helpful for the right person. I don't have that lid on correctly. I'm just trying to fix that lid. Okay, let's see. We got one other. So we got a total of 4 of these little things. Again, 2 black, 2 white. And then, how handy is this? I have never seen this in a travel kit before. I only see this for changing the oil on my car. A much bigger version, of course. But how handy is that for when you are adding something like your liquids? You can just put that right in the top, and you can put it in the top of one of these too. So that would just sit right there. Look at that. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Anyway, I'm crazy about this. I think most especially about these silicone pieces, and I like the fact that it comes with a bag that I can easily put everything in. But yeah, it all seems really handy. And like it'd be really helpful, especially if you like to use specific products and not just buy the travel ones, right? So anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.